For number 4, we want to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the set of the complement of A union B intersected with C complement. So let's first set up the Venn diagram picture that illustrates the three sets A, B, C and also labels the regions for each of the sets. So I have 3 intersecting or overlapping circles, A, B, and C, and my universal set would be the region that contains all the elements. Okay, now I want to label each region, so you can choose any labeling system that you want. So I'm going to call this region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4, region 5, region 6, region 7, and region 8. So the universal set contains all 8 regions. Okay, and then set A contains 1, 2, 4, and 5. So if you labeled yours differently, just set up the sets based upon your diagram, your final answer would still be the same as mine. For B, it contains regions 2, 3, 5, and 6. And region C contains 4, 5, 6, and 7. So next, let's progress to figuring out our final set that we want to shade. So let's work inside and find out what A union B is first. So A union B is all the elements from A and B combined. So it has a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. So 1 through 6. You can also look at your Venn diagram. Now we want to find the complement of this set. Okay, so this set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If we compare it to the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, the only elements that wouldn't be in it would be 7 and 8. So the complement is the elements that are not in that set that are in the universal set. Now let's go ahead and find C complement. So C complement, C has 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the universal set would have the different elements 1, 2, 3, and don't include 4, 5, 6, or 7, but then we have 8. So 1, 2, 3, and 8 would be the complement of C. Now let's intersect C complement with the complement of A union B. So the intersection is going to be common elements. So A union B intersect C complement. Well, both sets, if I compare them, have 8 in them. They both have region 8. They both, if I compare here, yep, it looks like they both have region 8, and I'm looking on my notes here to see if they also both have a 7. So A union B complement intersected with set C. Yep, they both have, well, I have to make sure I do it with C complement. So yeah, it looks like they both have just set 8. So then we're going to shade region 8 in the picture. So that's going to be this whole outside region represented here outside of those 3 circles.